Welcome to Always Dolls. This is Sarah and I'm so glad you're here. Today we're opening Happy Mail from YouTuber Dolls Rescued. Thank you so much Marna and Darren. Now on to the unpackaging. Confession time. Bethany and I received this package back in February. Unfortunately, it's taken me this long to open. Marna is so generous, sending us not one or two, but 3 doll outfits. Let's take a closer look at this Springfield Collection tee and leggings set. This is not a brand you can find in Australia, so we're so excited to open it up. First, I'd like to mention how soft the fabric feels. The leggings are a pretty mix of pastel blue and pink colours with a hint of lavender. They remind me of leggings from Girl of the Year 22 Corinne Tan's collection. The t-shirt is really cute with a sparkly pink unicorn decal. It has the same high-quality Velcro strip that you would see in an American Girl t-shirt. Let's check out the fit on one of our dolls. The colours really suit our Carolyn doll, and we teamed it with a pom-pom headband and teal sandals. You can switch up the outfit by layering it with Corinne's meat sweater, a scarf and some boots for a cozy winter look. Now let's check out outfit number 2. It's from Marigold Market, another brand we don't see in Australian shops. This set has 5 pieces, starting with a teal scarf trimmed with purple pom-poms. It's very well made. You get a perfectly doll-sized ivory headband with a bow and a purple fabric purse with faux clip. I was surprised to see how much space is inside when you open it up. In this set, you get a hot pink t-shirt with gold foil printing on the front. It says "Faith can move mountains." Again, this t-shirt feels like it complements or could be added to Corinne Tan's collection. The blue jeggings are made from a soft stretchy fabric with a faux clasp, but they have real belt loops and pockets. The pants also have a Velcro closure at the back. Here we chose for our Shelley to model this outfit. Your doll can wear the purse over her shoulder or crossbody style. Marna also sent us this Marigold Market country chic outfit. Again, it's great value with 4 pieces in this set. The attention to detail with the belt is amazing. It has a buckle and loops so you can adjust it to fit your doll's waist. The skirt is made from a real denim fabric. It has buttons, belt loops and contrast stitching for extra detail. It also has a Velcro strip closure at the back. The pink and grey plaid shirt is super soft with real buttons stitched on front, but it's easy to put on your doll as it Velcros at the front. And finally, you get a cream headband stitched to elastic so it's easy to get on and off your doll. This set would go nicely with other pieces from Tenny Grant's collection. Here we popped it on our Truly Me 38 Annie, although it was a bit snug around the booty. Since this is a Happy Mail video, we really need to thank April from Lots to See for sending us this amazing Hell's Club t-shirt. It's a great fit with our doll DJ's personality. Thank you so much Dolls Rescued. We really appreciate your gift. And see you all soon for more miniature crafting fun.